What Amazon has managed to do, maybe without you even realising it, is install fixed location computer terminals all across your home. Most people that have smart speakers in America have 2.4 smart speakers. I don't know where they get the 0.4 from. I've never seen 0.4 of a smart speaker, but that's the average anyway. And with smart speakers, you're unlikely to upgrade them. Once you have them, you have them. And if your house is an Alexa smart home, you're probably not going to move away from Alexa anytime soon. This is why there's a platform war underway between Amazon and Google to try and figure out who is going to own the smart home. Come on. In putting fixed location computer terminals in your house, what Amazon has done, without you maybe even realising it with Alexa, is create a brand new operating system. That's what Alexa is. It's an operating system for the voice first age. It's Windows for voice. Smart speakers are replacing radios and smart displays, which are in their relative infancy, but we'll see them grow. We'll start displacing TVs in kitchens. As people use the Alexa operating system and smart displays more and more, they'll start to expect more from it. And what we'll see, I think, is that in the same way as Spotify and Pandora are adding voice assistants into their apps, we'll see people adding their app functionality into Alexa and the Echo Shows. Now, for that to happen, the Alexa presentation language needs to get a lot easier to use and a lot more flexible. And ideally, there needs to kind of be a way of using the structure of the app that's already built in iOS and Android and almost bringing that across. If someone could find a way of importing the design files from an app into the Alexa presentation language, you might be sitting on a little gold mine worth of a service. Because as we see screens and devices converging, basically your mobile phone has a voice interface, it has a touch screen, your smart displays have a voice interface and a touch screen, and all the devices are going to start converging, and people are going to start expecting being able to do what they can do on their mobile on their smart speakers and smart displays. Amazon's guidance right now is to create your interactions to be voice first and then add the display for additional information as an added extra. But as user behaviour continues, as devices get adopted, how people use those devices may well change, and Amazon's advice might not actually apply. People start using smart displays and are touching them more than they're speaking to them, then you need to design for the user. So has anybody got any good examples of where functionality from within an app has been moved into the Echo Show or smart displays? Let me know.